University Boulevard is a tale of two halves, with the first segment presenting a markedly different riding experience than the second. During this ride assessment, the first half of University Boulevard through Rice University and Rice Village was found to be riddled with pavement deficiencies, including numerous cracks, road divots, potholes, road humps, and an abundance of road repair patches that create an uneven riding surface for most drivers. In addition, faded pavement markings reduce lane definition and overall visibility, particularly during inclement weather conditions and during traffic congestion. Collectively, these conditions diminish ride quality, increase maintenance concerns for the road, and can present safety challenges for many motorists, cyclists, and other roadway users. The second half of University Boulevard through West University was a marked improvement. University Boulevard undergoes a marked transformation as it passes through West University, where roadway conditions improve significantly. In contrast to the preceding segment, the portion of University Boulevard through West University has a smooth, well-maintained pavement surface with clearly defined lane markings that enhance visibility and roadway guidance. The street is largely free of cracks, road divots, potholes, and road humps, resulting in a noticeably more comfortable and consistent ride. Also, during this assessment ride, watch the automobile in front and see how the vehicle is tossed around by the road humps and potholes in this area. While the onboard camera incorporates digital image stabilization that produces a smoother-looking video, it does not accurately convey the severity of the roadway conditions experienced during this portion of University Boulevard. The stabilization system effectively minimizes visible camera shake, masking many of the impacts caused by the road cracks, potholes, road divots, road humps, and uneven pavement. Did you know, despite its relatively modest length, University Boulevard serves as a cultural and educational corridor, linking higher education, historic neighborhoods, parks, restaurants, and one of Houston's most popular retail destinations along a single continuous route? A significant level of traffic congestion was observed along University Boulevard through the Rice Village area, resulting in slower travel speeds and frequent stop-and-go conditions. The combination of high vehicle volumes, numerous four-way stop intersections, pedestrian activity, and vehicles entering and exiting adjacent businesses contributed to recurring delays throughout this segment of University Boulevard. These conditions not only affect travel time for many drivers, but it also increased driver workload and reduced the overall efficiency of traffic flow through one of the street's busiest commercial districts. Driver beware. On this portion of University Boulevard, drivers should remain especially vigilant for pedestrian activity, as individuals may cross the roadway unexpectedly outside of designated crosswalks or during gaps in traffic. The combination of nearby shops, restaurants, transit activity, and other destinations generates frequent pedestrian movements that can be unpredictable. Maintaining reduced speeds, scanning both sides of the roadway, and anticipating sudden crossings are essential to safely navigating this segment and minimizing the risk of pedestrian-related conflicts. Here's where the transition begins. Here, University Boulevard undergoes a noticeable transition in roadway quality, evolving from a rough, pothole-ridden street into a smooth, well-maintained roadway that is far more user-friendly for drivers. As the road assessment progresses, it is clear the road deficiencies give way to a consistently smooth driving surface with well-defined lane markings and significantly fewer pavement imperfections. This dramatic improvement enhances ride comfort, reduces driver fatigue, and creates a safer, more predictable driving experience. As the viewer can see, This portion of University Boulevard features noticeably wider travel lanes, providing drivers with a greater sense of comfort and maneuverability. The additional lane width allows for improved lateral clearance between vehicles, making it easier to maintain lane position and navigate alongside adjacent traffic. When combined with the smoother pavement and clear lane markings, the wider lanes contribute to a more relaxed, predictable, and user-friendly driving experience while enhancing overall roadway safety. As this road assessment travels through West University, did you know despite covering only about 2 square miles, it consistently ranks among the most desirable residential communities in Texas? Often referred to simply as West U, the city is completely surrounded by Houston, except where it borders nearby municipalities, yet operates as its own independent city, with its own police, fire, and public works departments. Known for its tree-lined streets, excellent parks, and proximity to the Texas Medical Center and Rice University, West University offers a small-town atmosphere in the heart of one of the nation's largest metropolitan areas.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.